In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode on Google Chrome. If your Chrome browser is currently using a dark theme and you'd prefer a brighter, more traditional look, this is a very quick setting to change. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and you're on a normal Chrome window, so you can access the main settings menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This is where you'll find a variety of browser options, including the settings we need for this change. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page in a new tab. The settings area is where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves, including visual options like themes and appearance. After that, find and click on Appearance. In this section, you'll see the display and theme-related options for Google Chrome. This is the part that controls how Chrome looks on your screen. Here, simply select Light to disable dark mode. As soon as you choose the light option, Chrome will switch from the darker appearance to the lighter one. This makes the browser background, tabs, and other interface elements appear brighter and easier to see if you prefer a standard light theme. If you don't notice the change immediately, give it a moment and make sure the correct option is selected. In most cases, the update happens right away. This setting is useful if dark mode feels too dim, if you're working in a bright room, or if you just prefer the classic Chrome look. And that's all it takes to disable dark mode on Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Settings, choose Appearance, and select Light. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable the browser feels during everyday use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.